Hello and welcome to a new Excel BI challenge, Excel Challenge 138. This time again about US presidents. This is quite a common theme with Excel BI's challenges. Let's download the case. Oh, this is something. Yeah. So here's the case. We need to find the top 5 highest occurring starting alphabets of words in US president's name. So, firstly, I will take the starting alphabet of every word in this column. Therefore, I will first TEXTJOIN with a space as a delimiter all those words. You can see now I have all names in one cell with spaces in between, and now I will text split them with again a space as a delimiter, and now I have every name in a single cell, every single word in a single cell. And now I will take from left only the first character, because only the first character is out of interest. And now we need to count those occurrences. How do we want to do that? We map the whole alphabet against, so I do this that way. CHAR 64 is the starting code for a large A, so an A in capital letters in Unicode, then sequence 26. I'll show you what I did. I did like a sequence of all the CHARs or the letters in an alphabet. It's done with this CHAR 64 plus sequence of 26. And then I map lambda A against filter. The array is n should include A. Yeah, this should work. And then I need to count the count A. I need to count the numbers, and here I have a list of all those alphabets and their according frequency. Now I do something that way. I stack the alphabets and so the letters and the count I did recently, and I filter. So I do this in separate arguments, HSTACK AC, so that I can filter this whole array if C is larger or equal large unique C5. Oh, autocorrection. Yeah. Now I need to sort it. Sort index needs to be 2. And I always forget that ascending is the default option with the sort function. It's not I think it's not that cool, because I think descending should be normal. But here the sorting is a little bit weird. W in front of A. I have sorted it alphabetically by accident. Here it's not sorted alphabetically, but then the numbers are the same, as you can see. So what did we do here? We concatenated everything together, took out the first letter of all those names, and we splitted them before in separate cells. Then we did the alphabet. We printed out the alphabet. We mapped the alphabet against all the first letters and counted if the first letter is equal to the alphabetic letter. We check, and then we filtered like this table we did with the letters, all the letters in, and the counting on the count on the separate column, and then we filtered that table and sorted it. That's everything for today. Let's take this formula to LinkedIn form. So it's basically not the same, but almost the same here from Rick also. Yeah, so the formula is basically the same with the other competitors. Thank you for attention. See you next time.